guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking all about apple cider vinegar. I'm going to be answering some basic questions related to apple cider vinegar. That is, how to use apple cider vinegar, what does it do for your hair, how often should you use it, what should you mix it with, and the main question being, does apple cider vinegar cause hair fall or does it help to reduce hair fall, and does it help to promote hair growth? So I'm going to be answering all of these questions and telling you the correct way of using apple cider vinegar on your hair. So the first question is, what does apple cider vinegar do for your hair? So apple cider vinegar has two major benefits for your hair. The first one is to maintain the pH level on your scalp. So it balances out the excessive oiliness and dryness on your scalp, thereby neither leaving your scalp too oily nor too dry. So the pH level is maintained. And the second benefit of apple cider vinegar for your hair is to remove excessive product buildup from your hair. So if you're into a lot of hair styling, you might be using hair styling products like hair mousse or hairsprays, or even if you use a lot of dry shampoo or just regular shampoos even, all of the product gets accumulated on your scalp and it results in excessive product buildup on your scalp. And this is exactly where apple cider vinegar comes into play. When you use apple cider vinegar on your hair, it helps to remove excessive product buildup from your hair, thereby cleaning your scalp thoroughly and allowing your hair roots, your hair follicles to breathe. So that results in healthier scalp and healthier hair growth. The second question is, does apple cider vinegar promote new hair growth? Well, no, it doesn't promote new hair growth, but whatever hair is already growing on your scalp, it helps to promote healthy hair growth. So it makes your scalp healthy by removing all of the toxins from your scalp and just improving the overall condition of your scalp. And since your hair roots can now breathe properly, the new hair that's already growing grows healthy. The third question is something that I keep getting asked all the time. Does apple cider vinegar cause hair fall or does it help to reduce hair fall? Well, it does not cause any hair fall. Apple cider vinegar is a good ingredient for your hair. It has benefits for your hair. It doesn't have any side effects, so it does not cause any hair fall. Moving on to the second part, that is, does it help to reduce hair fall? Well, yes, to a certain extent, because when you use apple cider vinegar on your scalp, the overall condition of your scalp improves. The hair that's growing is growing healthy, and any kind of hair fall or hair loss that was happening before due to unhealthy scalp condition is now reduced. So that is how apple cider vinegar helps to reduce hair fall. The fourth question is, can a shampoo be completely replaced by apple cider vinegar? Which means that, can you use apple cider vinegar in place of a shampoo? Well, the answer is no, because you cannot really use apple cider vinegar in huge quantities or that frequently. If you do so, then it will have more negative effects than positive. So you want to use a shampoo in the place of a shampoo and apple cider vinegar just once a week, not more than that. And if you are into using a lot of hairstyling products and dry shampoos, and if you're concerned about the condition of your scalp, then you can switch to an apple cider vinegar shampoo. So I have this Mamaearth apple cider vinegar shampoo with me. This contains organic apple cider vinegar and biotin. This shampoo foams up just like the regular shampoos and cleanses your hair, but at the same time it's got the goodness of organic apple cider vinegar in this. So while cleansing your hair, it's also going to help to remove product buildup from your scalp and cleanse your scalp thoroughly. And unlike apple cider vinegar, which you can use only once a week, this shampoo can be used every single day, or maybe every alternate days, or twice a week, or however you wish to shampoo your hair. You can use it as many times as you want, because the proportion of apple cider vinegar in the shampoo is very diluted, and it's not going to have any side effects on your hair even if you use it more than once a week. So this shampoo can be used every single time that you want to wash your hair. It's going to save you from the hassle of shampooing your hair first and then applying apple cider vinegar, rinsing it off. You're going to get all of the benefits by using just one single product. And the best part is, it's free from harsh chemicals like parabens, SLS, etc. So if you want a mini hair spa like experience at home, then you can use this shampoo. It's going to help to clean your hair and your scalp thoroughly, leaving it feeling very fresh and very clean. And you can follow the shampoo up with the same conditioner, that is Mamaearth apple cider vinegar conditioner. This again contains organic apple cider vinegar and biotin. They're available on a lot of websites like Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, and you can also purchase them from Mamaearth's website. And if you use my coupon code on their website, that is Riya 2021, you'll get a 20% off. Along with the ACV shampoo and conditioner, Mamaearth also has an ACV hair mask, so you can literally use all of the three products as a 3-step hair spa routine at home to get clean and fresh hair. The fragrance of all of these products is really nice and soothing, and the shampoo foams up so very well. Moving on to the fifth question, does apple cider vinegar help to kill fungus on your scalp? Well, yes, it does help to kill fungus. Apple cider vinegar has antifungal properties and it helps you deal with fungus. You're going to see results within the first use itself. But you have to keep using it every single week to eliminate all of the fungus growth from your hair. So apple cider vinegar is great if you have scalp fungus going on. It is also great for dandruff, because dandruff may be caused due to a fungal infection on your scalp. It may be caused due to excessive dryness or excessive oiliness, and by using apple cider vinegar on your scalp, the pH level is sort of balanced out, so that helps to curb the formation of dandruff on your scalp. So if you have dandruff or any kind of fungal infections, apple cider vinegar is an amazing ingredient to try out. The sixth question is, how often should you be using apple cider vinegar and what is the correct way of using it? Well, I do not recommend using it more than once a week, and the correct way of using it is to dilute it with water. So after you're done with shampooing your hair, after you rinse off all of the shampoo from your hair, you want to add just 1 cup of apple cider vinegar in a mug and fill it with 4 cups of water. So the ratio of apple cider vinegar to water is 1:4. 1 cup of apple cider vinegar with 4 cups of water. Please remember this. And you want to mix it well and just pour it on your scalp and then leave it there for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse it off with normal water. Do not use very hot or very cold water. Make sure you use lukewarm water to rinse it off. After rinsing it off, you can follow it up with a normal conditioner. Use a conditioner on the length of your hair, not on your scalp, and rinse it off and your hair routine is done. And finally, the last question is, does apple cider vinegar lighten your hair? Well, this is a very complicated question because some say it does and some say it doesn't. So the answer here is to use apple cider vinegar in the right way. If you directly use apple cider vinegar on your scalp, or if you use it too frequently, then yes, it may lighten your hair. But if you use it as much as just once a week and if you dilute it properly, then it's not gonna lighten your hair. It's not gonna cause any side effects to your hair. It's very safe to use and it's only gonna benefit your hair. So use it in the right way. That way, you won't have any kind of side effects with apple cider vinegar. So yes, those were all of the questions that I keep getting asked about apple cider vinegar. If there's something more that you need to know about apple cider vinegar, then do let me know in the comments below. I would love to help you guys out. And if you're too scared to use apple cider vinegar on your scalp, then you can try out this Mamaearth apple cider vinegar shampoo. That way you will be getting the benefits out of a shampoo and apple cider vinegar in just one product. So make sure you check this one out, and I highly urge you to shop it from Mamaearth's website only, because whenever you place an order on Mamaearth's website, they link your order to a tree that they planned. So just by shopping from their website, you're also contributing to the environment. Mamaearth actually has a goal of planting more than 1 million trees by the end of 2025. So that is how environment friendly the brand is. You can also check out their products from their app. Their app is available for Android and iOS both, and if you shop from their app, you will be getting early access to their discounts, which means that you'll be saving on more cash. So definitely check their products out, and if you start using apple cider vinegar in your routine, do let me know how it works out for you in the comments below. So that was my video for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what other videos would you like to see, and also if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.